This is very beautiful place of nature. This is Chulia waterfall near Kota, Rajasthan. This waterfall is belong to Chambal river near Kota, Chittorgarh, Rajasthan, India. Really, the water is deep. Wow. What a natural place that is. This waterfall is fully covered with rocks and mountains. There's the rock and mountains fully covered. And the water is looking very nice and natural. If you guys are coming to enjoy this moment.
A very beautiful place of nature.
Here you can see some stones, some small and micro stones here. What that? Yeah. There is some water and micro stones here. Wow, I just glad with it. That is really nice. When you will visit it, you will feel glad. As you can see, the water is falling continue. Water is falling down from upper to the lower. Water is falling continue on green color stone. The color of the stone is green. That is due to continue falls down of water. Continue falling of water. It is the sound of flowing water. They be used for sleeping and meditation purpose. Oh, that is hollow rock. When the sunlight come to the water, it is looking gold color. Wow. If you guys are climbing, but it is risky.